here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building. We do have the OnePlus 7 Pro in-house, and we're going to go ahead and do a tempered glass screen installation on here, but not just any tempered glass screen protector. This is going to be the best screen protector out on the market for the OnePlus 7 Pro and for all the curved edge screen devices. If you do have a curved edge, then this is going to be the video for you guys. No more of that screen protector off of Amazon or off of eBay that peels off. This is a full adhesive screen protector which covers the entire screen from top to bottom. As it says here, full response. So the touch sensitivity is beautiful on here. Full clarity, so there's no bubbles. There's not going to be none of that stuff on here. And full coverage. So it goes all the way up to the edges. So all the way up to the edges is going to be a beautiful thing. I will have the links down in the description below where you can purchase these Amazon links. And let's go ahead and jump into this real quick and see what we have here in the package. This has changed several times since I've last used the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector. So now we do have two little packages that come included. I do have two of them, by the way. I probably will be giving one of these away towards the end of this video. And in the tray we do have the installation guide. I recommend you guys read this thoroughly. There's a lot of stuff in here that I missed when I didn't read this, so we'll move that over to the side. This right here is the UV light, so we'll save this for last. You get some dust stickers. You do get these right here, which I believe they are speaker. They're for the speakers. So the speaker at the top, you definitely want to put this on there. And you want to cover it, keep the adhesive from seeping in through that top speaker. That would be this one right up here. So yeah, make sure you guys do cover up that speaker because it will get adhesive in there, and then who knows what will happen after that. But we do have stickers for that, so that is good. Two adhesive bottles right here. We're only going to use one. And then we do have obviously the tempered glass screen protector, so you only get one with this package. So this is definitely going to cover the entire screen, as you can see there. So we do have that, and we have this tray. This is a two-part tray, so it's going to have, you slide the phone in, and I do see, let me show you what else we have here. We do have the swabs, so we're going to have the alcohol swabs, we're going to have the dust stickers, we're going to have some more. This is very important. This is going to be the screen holder, so it's hold the screen up and then you pull it out and the screen will come down. It's real nice. And more dust stickers. We have these just to go on the side for the adhesive that rolls off the screen in case you get excess adhesive. You want to make sure you catch that, so we'll go ahead and we'll put that in now so I don't forget. I always forget to put these in. It's gonna be a quick installation. I'm gonna try to go ahead and do it as quick as possible. This right here is a cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth, so we'll use that. Also, I do have a fan on, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fan off real quick. And the reason why I turned the fan off is that I want to keep dust from flying everywhere. So there's not a lot of dust in this house, but I recommend you guys work on a clean surface. Also, you guys want to make sure you wash your hands before you proceed. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real good and get it all ready for the installation. Okay, so I went ahead and turned on my kitchen lights because that's where I'm working at. And I did that because I really wanted to be able to see anything that's on my screen. So I do have the factory film screen protector that comes on here. And one of the things I do recommend is that you go ahead and power off your phone. So power off the phone, makes it easier to clean. You can see I already have some scratches on this film that comes with it pre-installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean this up as quick as I can, and then we'll go ahead and proceed with the installation. So let's go. Okay, so basically what I did was I went ahead and just pulled off the film that comes pre-installed on the OnePlus 7 Pro. It did pretty good, but I went ahead and pulled it off anyways. And I didn't do a lot of cleaning because the screen is pretty clean, so I decided just not to do. So basically what you want to do now is go ahead and put this on there. You want to open up the color end, which is the red, twist that one off, and you want to go ahead and put it in here. I think it screws in, I'm not too sure. So what you want to do is we want to release the adhesive onto the screen, and you want to have your screen protector ready. So we'll go ahead and do that. I want to make sure I do a 1C over my screen here and make sure I don't have anything on there, so I can go ahead and drop it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and release the second, and that releases the adhesive on there. So once we release the adhesive on there, you basically just want to remove it. So we remove the tray and everything, the little bridge, put that over to the side. This stuff is very, very strong. So it smells kind of strong. We'll put this over here. And then what you want to do now is you make sure you put this little clip in, and then you want to remove. Wait a minute, I almost forgot I almost messed up, guys. I didn't put my speaker protection on, so I didn't cover my speaker up. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we want to go ahead and make sure you cover your speaker up. Just easy thing right here. It's nothing major, but you just want to make sure you cover up your speaker, keep that adhesive out, and go ahead and put your tray back on. Not a big deal. And once you put that tray back on, you put your clip back in there, and you want to go make sure there's nothing on your display and nothing. It looks very clean. And then you want to go ahead and peel off this right here off the tempered glass screen. So it looks real good, nothing on there. And you want to put in the bottom first, and you want to drop it down just like so. This is a real nice thing going on right here. So now what you want to do now is you want to tilt it. You push down. You want to be on a flat table, by the way. Then you want to tilt it, and once the bubble hits the center, you pull the little pin out. So let's go ahead and do that. So it dropped. Oh, I got bubbles in there. Okay, so I got a little bit of bubbles in here, but it looks like they went away. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my UV light ready. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll do the center of it first for like 30 seconds. Then it got stuck on that, so that's why it didn't come down straight. But so far it looks pretty good. Let's see what happens as an end result. Let me go ahead and clean some of this stuff off. So now we'll go to the bottom. We'll cure the bottom. I normally do it twice, so I'll do it again, 30, 30, and 30. So once this is done, I just want it to cure real good before I do my cleaning up process. So 30 seconds on the top, and then it should be ready to go. So yeah, Whitestone Dome, like I said, this one that I have here, I will be giving it away. All you have to do is drop a comment on this video. Let me know that you want the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And also follow me on Twitter and drop a comment there. I will be picking the winner randomly on Twitter. So make sure you drop a comment here, and then go and drop a comment on my Twitter saying that you want the OnePlus 7 Pro Whitestone Dome glass. I have an extra one. I probably will not use this ever. So hopefully the phone came right out. We got a lot of adhesive runoff on the tray, which who cares? I won't be using it again. I can tell you the screen protector is A1 on here. So let me go ahead and remove the speaker cover right here, which I always forget. Boom, look at that. Beautiful, no glue. Wonderful. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up real good. Show you the end result. This thing is magnifico. Bubble free, no bubbles. Look at that. Beautiful. So this came out superb. Shout out to Whitestone Dome for sending this out to me for review. This is just ultimate screen protector all around. Really good. And voila, check that out. Look at that. Beautiful. So let me get another one of these, because there's 3 of them. I don't know why they give you so many. Wow, look at that. Even more clean. Bam. I was a little bit worried, but look at that. Look at that. Bubble free. The bubbles kind of freaked me out, man. I was starting to panic. But yeah, let me go ahead and power this up. And you guys can see there, OnePlus 7 Pro. I did turn on my light so you guys could get a better view on it. Beautiful Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector is on here, and it is looking fabuloso. So there you guys have it. Drop a comment. I'll catch you guys on another video. We out. Perfect.